Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas. Dr. Thomas T. Thomas to be exact. I have written my first novel. The title of the book is Adventures of a Countryside Doctor. And it became a bestseller on Amazon Kindle on the first day itself, and it is doing well. The paperback is about to be published. And why I am doing this video now is I want to acknowledge and thank my first author coach, Mr. Som Bathla. I joined his course soon after I started writing, actually. And then I went through the course, his 7-day course. I rushed through in 3 or 4 days because I was already writing and I wanted some guidelines. I initially thought of finishing the book in 1 or 2 years, and then find a publisher and things like that. But joining his course, I could understand that we could easily self-publish on Amazon. And he gave all the right ways to do it. That's so, and he was urging us in all his classes to finish the book in 30 days. Of course, I took about 4 months, but I am satisfied with the work, and all people who read the book are appreciating it. So at least he could bring down my time from 2 years to 4 months. I think that is great. And then the greatest advantage actually I found of joining his group was his large number of other friends in the group. We had a Telegram group, about 800 members. So you could post some question, and some senior member who has already published 2-3 books, some of them are sure to give you an answer. So that way his coaching and the group, it was a great benefit for me. I really wish to acknowledge and thank him for that. Thank you.